Hey guys, this is CS50 final project and I call it the T-Rex 50. So this is the home page that I've made, and when we click play, it shall direct us to the game state, the play state of the game. So alright, so this is a tutorial guideline. So it asks us to hit space, get through the cactus, and good game. So now we proceed to next level after waiting for 2 seconds. So it's automatically adjusted. Oops. Okay. So it goes on and on and on. Oops. Alright, so that's game over, and we will restart the game after 2 seconds. Okay, so what if I want to quit the game? So this is a menu button. I can either resume or quit, but I choose to quit now. And we are back to the home page. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Very simple and straightforward game, but I use most of the time to render these objects, and of course the T-Rex also, that took me like 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so that's it. My name is Tommy Wong and this is CS50.